their colors. Tracing paper. Glue. Then put tracing paper on snack packet and start tracing the design. After tracing, rub pencil on backside of tracing paper to get exact texture. Paste tracing paper on sheet and start tracing again to get same design as packet. Then remove the tracing paper. Here is the design. Now it's paint time. Take black color for painting the snack name. Wet brush first, mix it well with a little water, then take paint and apply it. Fill all double parts of name first with black. Color, mix it with water. Create the boundary around the name with red, also fill it with red. Red color. Mix it well by adding a little water to get orange color. Paint red chili color by little amount of yellow with more amount of red to get carrot color, chili. Every point where it needed. Take yellow color and add just a tip of carrot color to get bit of orange shade. After mixing, apply paint in pops. red in yellow to get dark orange color for inside part of pops. Give shade of orange on upper part of pops to make it real. Paint it smoothly to give it a real classic look. Black color to paint chili and also apply dots in text. Add blue color in yellow to get green color and paint it in the design. Yellow in green to get parrot color. Take white color, mix it with water and apply it in pops and other places to make it unique. Color again. Mix that color with red to make maroon color. Fill maroon color in remaining part of box. For filling and making boundaries, take round brush 1 number. With black to make shades and for giving it exact look like original packet. Final look. Tell me in comments which one looks good.